how to contact Binance customer support. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can contact Binance customer support from your device. So first thing first, simply head over to your Binance application. Just make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed as well as logged in with your login credentials on your Binance account. And once you come over here, just make sure to verify everything and just click on the headphone icon at the top, as you can see. So once you click on it, wait for some time and you will be redirected to this screen, and scroll all the way until you see the option get support, and just click on the get support option from over here, and you can see the plus icon at the bottom right corner, and from here just click on facts, that is frequently asked question, and from here you can just simply select any issue related to your particular category, and or you can also simply manually search your questions, ask your questions like this, and they will be redirecting or connecting with you in after some time in this application. So that is exactly how you can contact Binance Assistant or Binance customer support from your device. So hope video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.